Quad. So after a very long while, we are dropping the first tutorial BTS-ish on the channel, and people have seen a lot of my videos and they're like, Menzi, how do you do your transitions? And well, let me not lie, I don't plan any of my shots like from shot A whip pan to shot B. I don't do that. It's advisable to do that, but yeah, me, I don't plan for it. I just go out, shoot, do things, and yeah, in the end I put everything together. And yeah, when I'm editing, I'm planning and stitching everything in my head. So yeah, I make sure it comes out very good. And I don't use transition presets because yeah, those things, everybody's using it today. There are apps that as long as you shoot 1 2 3 clips on your phone, they can put in very dope transitions for you. And yeah, if phones are doing it, fam, you have to be different. So yeah, mostly I just speed ramp most of my clips, and yeah, make sure that shot A can tie into shot B seamlessly. I saw this video from Peter Welbeck teaching seamless video transitions, and I'm like, well, let's see how we can do a dialed down version of that tutorial, and yeah, show people how I do some of my edits. So yeah, it's going to be, this one is just going to be some basic match cuts. You understand, I can't explain them, but yeah, you'd see them when we go out. So yeah, I linked up with Zongo Studios, Benedicta, Brent, and Sheldon. Sheldon is not doing anything in today's video, but he's here because why? He's here. So yeah, let's just go out and see how today goes like. So yeah, I'm just going to start with a short cinematic sequence of what happened today, and the rest will be the BTS and how what happened. Too much English. Catch you.
It's okay, I really don't need a shooting star, because life is beautiful. You can try, but you'll never change who you really are. Life is beautiful. Let me take you far away from here, back to the start. Let it all disappear. Let me see your heart.
This is Brent. Took some very dope pictures and videos from the shoot. There's Benedicta, who we used as our model, and Sheldon, Zongo Studios, who handled everything BTS, and yeah, you can check him out on Instagram as well. And there's me. And yeah, because it was bright during the shoot, I had to use an ND filter. And yeah, this one is a variable ND filter, so like you get to regulate how much light you accept into your camera. What else happened? We started shooting. So yeah, basically you just see me shoot how I shot the footage that you saw in the cinematic sequence. You had to do a lot of takes for some of them, like a lot, because we weren't getting the look and feel that we wanted, and because we didn't plan our shots, it made things very difficult because you don't know where you want the next shot to take off from and where you want the first shot to end at. So yeah, if you plan this well, then you can transition the shots seamlessly. But yeah, because we are stubborn, this is what we did. And yeah, this is not the best, but yeah, hopefully next time we're able to do some dope calculations and plans so that yeah, the video comes out extremely good. And this is just to show yeah, some of the ways I shoot from behind an object, make it your foreground, and yeah, keep it out of focus when your main subject is in the background somewhere and in focus. So when you move the camera, when you pan, it shows movement in your shot. Like when there's nothing in front of the camera blurred out and you are moving, people would hardly notice movement. So yeah, when you place an obstacle that isn't the focus and your subject is in focus somewhere, and you move, people will notice the movement, and it makes it very cinematic. And yeah, make sure your shots have movement. Even if you are not using a gimbal, you don't have a gimbal, I think you can just do handheld, but yeah, walk correct.
Let it all disappear. Let me see your heart.
Let me stand on it.
Let me take you far away
If you enter the for the numbers.
The point we do it. If you take off this thing, the sun, the way the sun makes, it makes colors pop.
Yeah, you've seen everything from what happened, you've seen the cinematic sequence, and yeah, that's how I practically shoot. Not all the time, but yeah, mostly this is how I shoot. And yeah, so just try to, you understand, stay away from presets and packs so that you will not be like everybody else. Just be original, do something nice, do something vibes, and hopefully we vibe. And yeah, so I'm done. Please, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you want a friend to learn a trick or two, kindly share it, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please don't do that, just subscribe and let us grow, so that when I grow the channel, YouTube will start paying me dollars. So yeah, that's not the main aim, but yeah, it would happen. So yeah, thank you very much once again for watching. Catch you in the next video.